Guys out fishing. There's the bridge. By the way, that bridge is free for cyclists. Oh, there's a pelican out there. Big guy. So this West End is very popular for fishing. Catch anything yet? Not yet. Good luck. There's a pelican. Oh no. Not a pelican. Some sort of... What is that? I don't know what it is. I'll have to ask Bob. Ingrid? Egret? Stork? Okay, so from now, for about the next 15 minutes, there's a lot of nothing. Well, a lot of sand, and a lot of water, and quite a few birds. And that's about it. Yesterday, with the storm surge, the water was way up into there. It's harder to ride up there, so I'm gonna go back by the water. Which was kind of fun. Yeah, riding in that storm surge was fun. The day before, big headwind, heading east. Made the ride back to Jamaica Beach fast and fun. But it was a workout into that. It was a 23-mile-an-hour sustained headwind with 30-plus gusts of wind. So that was fun. I'm on my Cannondale. Belt drive, which is good for the beach. Let's see if we can see that down there. Yeah, there's the belt. And as I mentioned before, the gears are in a sealed rear hub. So it's supposed to be waterproof. And the big thing would be keeping water and sand out. So I was told, after riding at the beach, just hose it off for a while and put a little oil on all of the Allen head, just the heads, so that water that sits in there doesn't corrode, which is what I'll do. Ooh, lots of birds. Hi, birds. I came out here to the west end of the bridge a few months back, and coming out here was a really strong headwind. So it was a slow go. But as I was riding back through this very area here, I was doing about 30 miles an hour. I'm in 5th gear now. I was tapped out in 8th gear, which is the highest gear, and that was really fun. Today, no wind, really, to speak of. A little bit. It's a little breezy. See if we get closer to the birds. So I got 3 water towers to go. You can see the first one in the distance. I don't think that one's, there's no name on that one. The second one, right, where'd it go? Right in there is